Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk about the Boston Whaler 2021 28 Vantage. New out this year. It's a phenomenal boat. It's got tons of new features on it. It's powered by the Twin Mercury 300s. Plenty of power for this boat. Good top end on it as well. Let's hop on board to see the rest. Here we are on board the 280 Vantage. We'll start at the back of the boat. It's got the Boston Whaler traditional fold-down seat. It's a really comfortable two-person seat. You got a high back, plenty of room for your legs. If you don't want the seat and you want to fish, you just fold it away, and that's a great leaning post for fishing with the rod holders easily accessible right here. And you've got a really large live well, which is a nice feature. It used to be under the seat. Now it's a real live well. It's big, so a nice addition, nice improvement to this boat. And then the dive door, another huge improvement with this boat. It does all kinds of things. It's the most safest way to get on the boat from a floating dock. Also, when you're getting out of the water, it's got a 4-step ladder, very safely getting in, and you've got the railing to grab onto instead of grabbing on the side of the boat, which is not safe. And also, when you're fishing, pick it up. Instead of bringing it over the gunnel where you lose fish, you can slide it right into the fish box. Stays nice and clean, not messy. So, really nice feature as well. And then the Sure Shade is a new feature for the 28, and it's a great feature. It comes all the way over the seat. Now, over to the starboard side. New addition as well. This is a built-in cooler underneath, self-draining, insulated, so you can just dump your drinks in, a bag of ice on top, lasts all day and self-drains. Nice feature. And then you got the fridge with a freezer where you can keep like a half a bag of ice in here for drinks. Nice, safe ice to use. Traditional whaler seat does everything well. You can sit facing this way. You can sit facing forward there, and then you can lay it all the way down. So it becomes a lounger for two people can lounge on here. You got storage under both. That's where you keep the ladder and your canvas and all that stuff. So it's a good place for all that. And then we've got the head. Real large head. So you've got a pull-out kitchen faucet style for showering. It's hot and cold. And then you've got the vacuum flush head, which is the best you can get. So really nice feature on this boat. And then move over to the helm. You've got the Marine touchscreen, and you've got the large smart craft on here, vessel view. So that it's much easier to see than the smaller one we used to have on it. So nice addition here. And then digital throttle and shift. Does everything well. It goes sideways. It can get you any slip anytime. It's great. And then it also has the sky hook. You can lock yourself into position. I can point the bow at the sunset and go sit up here, have a nice glass of wine. It's it's perfect. We used to use the anchor. You'd swing this way and that way. Much easier. And it also has the auto heading. It's an autopilot. It's a point and shoot. So it's a really nice joystick. Just a great option. And as we move to the bow of the boat, and it's really large storage with dedicated for your table. So plenty and a place to put trash. Goes in, you can just take the pail out to empty it whenever you need. 2 lounges, very comfortable with armrests on them. And then you've got a change that they made in the 28 this year is instead of the ladder coming directly about over the bow where the anchor used to be, now they've got it off to the side, so it's not interfering with the anchor at all. So it's 2 separate entities. And then when you come in, if you got salt or sand in your feet, you got a shower here, rinse yourself off. You don't bring it into the boat. Has a nice little spotlight on the hardtop. It's got pretty much everything you're going to need to be on the water with. So if you've got any questions on it, you'd like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman. Give me a call at 603-213-1194.